Hello everybody, I'm working on a 2012 Audi A5 convertible. As you see, convertible, and this portion of the screen is not working on the front cluster. It's not working. So if I turn on the car, you'll see what I'm talking about. You see all the other lights comes on, but this one does not come on. So in order to remove this, it's very simple. You put the steering wheels all the way down. There's a good video about this, how to take it out and everything. You put it all down, and then you have this one. This clips off. You just pull it, and then there's two trim. One goes over here on the navigation, on top of the navigation, and the other one you can just pull it and put it on the side like this. And there's another trim that goes right here on this side. They're all just wiggle and pull it out. It's very simple. And then you have like three 8mm bolts, one here, one right over there, and one here. So you take this out. Let me turn this off. You take this out, and there's a unit behind this that you can just replace that one for this screen that controls this one. It's a little module type thing that you can just unplug it like computer, take it off the ribbon and replace it. So once the 8mm bolt is out, this is what it looks like. Three of them is similar. And then you just wiggle and pull this out. I already bought one for like $84 from my local junkyard, so I'm gonna take that one and put it in this one. This is the connector in the back, so you just have to press that little thing over here and open it. That's it. That's how you remove the plug from the back. Once you have it out of the car, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 T15, and these are T8, the three that is holding this screen over here. So as you see, I took two of them out and one of them is still there. So this is open and this is unopened, that I'm about to take this screen off of this one and put it off of this one and put it on this one that's not working. This is not working currently. This model that I'm working on, it doesn't have a ribbon. It just sits right there. That's the connector here, and it sits right in there. You just have to pull it. Once you take that 3 screws out, then you can just take it out. Just pull it out, so it comes out. So you just have to wiggle it a little bit. It will come out. Just wanted to test it before I put everything together. In my case, as you see, I didn't even have to change that screen because the other one was saying 98,000 miles. The one that I ordered from there, I don't think that makes any difference because this is just a display. I don't think it, but I never change it. I unhook it from the place and hook it back on. That's it. It was loose, so that's why it went dark. So now, as you see, I'm testing it again here, and everything is back to normal. I didn't have to change that little screen. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.